Good morning dear students. Today we are studying about computer. This is chapter more about Windows 7 class 6 part 1. So first of all let us discuss what is an operating system. You know, an operating system is a software which work as a mediator between the hardware and the other softwares which you are using. For example, you can think like you know English and somebody else knows Chinese. So how you both can function? You need a mediator. Similarly, in computer also, in order to connect hardware and software, we need an operating system. So an operating system can be said to a software which perform all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk and printers. Types of operating system. First is multi-user. These are the operating systems in which many people can simultaneously perform their job. For example, if you go to a railway station, from Karkulam railway station you are entering in your reservation. From Haldwani somebody else is operating on the same operating system. So what happens? Many users are simultaneously working in a single operating system. This type of operating system are called multi-user operating system. Now we talk about multi-processing operating system. These are the operating systems which require more than one processor. When big companies work, their work is not stored in a single processor. So they require many processors which are connected together to process. Now we come to next type of operating system, that is multitasking operating system. These are the operating systems which can perform more than one task at a single time. For example, you can do your work on WordPad and at the same time you can play your music also. So in this way you are doing two functions at the same time. These type of operating systems are called multitasking. Now the last type of operating system is real-time operating system. The real-time operating systems are those operating systems which work on real life times. For example, your ATM machine, as soon as you withdraw the amount gets deducted from your account. This takes nearly a microsecond. These type of operating systems are generally used in the nuclear reactors because there a single second lag can destroy whole project. You must be very familiar with an operating system Windows 7. It was developed by Microsoft on 22nd July 2009. Let's discuss some primary features of Windows 7. Windows 7 has a start menu. You must have seen when you open the computer, it is always present at left hand corner. The taskbar and the notification area. The down one bar is known as taskbar. The window sniping tools. These are the tools which include an application to capture, save and share the sniped image. Next is the monitor or display monitor or projector. You know, when you connect to any printer, there is a beep sound and a notification is given to you. Next is Window Explorer. This is the file system through which you can easily specify the directories or folder located on your device. Next is Window Explorer libraries. Here is a type of library where all the documents and tasks are kept so that you can, whenever you require, you can easily access them.